So if you recently purchased or maybe received a gift card from someone else for Uber Eats and you're trying to redeem it, well, we are going to learn absolutely that in this video. So leave a like, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use your gift card on Uber Eats, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now all you have to do from here is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats app, and let's say you have got a certain gift card that you would like to use for your Uber Eats order. Then first you can just come to the account page. Then from here you can just go to wallet. Then once you come to wallet, over here you can see a couple of options. Now just go to add payment method. Now over here you want to select gift cards. So if you want to use your gift card, you just have to enter your gift card code over there. Once you enter your gift card code, tap on the save option, and once you've saved the changes, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use your Uber Eats gift card. Next time whenever you're placing an order, depending upon the value of the gift card, the order will get successfully applied, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then use your Uber Eats gift card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.